Okay, next, once you've fine lined them, whether or not you're doing it with a thicker fine liner, a thinner fine liner, or just with your pencil, we now want to apply some colour, a finish to the surface of them. So if you look at your John Bergerman examples, most of them are block coloured in there. So if you want to do some neat block colouring, you can do. Alternatively, we can add a bit of tone. So with these, I'm going to put a bit of tone on. So my light source is coming this direction. That means everything on this side is going to be dark. Everything on this side is going to be light. Because the balloons are going to be quite intense or light, so they might have a white area for the highlight on the side. So I'm going to try and make them bright. So on this side, it's going to be as dark as I can get it. So with my pencil crayon, I just press on as hard as I can on this side, and then I'm just going to fade them to ultimately to white on this side. If you can't get the tone in with your pencil crayon, try and colour blend them or mix them. So you might have to go for a darker one. So it's the smallest pencil crayon in the world. So here we go on here. So it's a darker red. So on this side, we'll just press on a bit harder to kind of shade in on those areas to colour blend them on the side. Okay, another contrasting colour, so we're going to go for green. So again on this side, we're going to press on hard on this area. So this is the dark tone, but this is a light green now, so it's difficult to get that tone in. But if I press on as hard as I can around the eye here, and then release the pressure on here, then choose a darker green, so I might get a bit of shading on here. If you haven't got a darker green or any other colour that's harmonious, just use your pencil and you can apply a bit of tone with your pencil, so you can put shadow on. Next one, we're going to use yellow. So again, press on hard here. I can't get your dark yellow, so I'm going to have to use an orange to get that tone in there, but I'll press on hard and release that to this side. And then if I take an orange and then just press on hard just on this side and then fade that across. If you want to do some block colouring, just try and make sure it's neat if you can. So just try and block colour those areas. So go back over them. So if there's any white gaps, try and just block colour those. There we go. So if you want to, you can block colour your characters or your graphics as well. So either tonal work or block colouring.